Hello everyone. Today we will show you the ignition pressure of our low water pressure startup, tankless gas water heaters, at a special use scenario. Right now, we have built a stimulated test stand. From it, we can see the source of the water is from the white bucket at the top, which is of 70 centimeters high, 50 centimeters in diameter of the bottom, and 2.3 centimeters in diameter for the connected pipe. The height from the bottom of the bucket to the ground is 1.8 meters. And the height from the bottom of the bucket to the inlet of 6L gas water heater installed is 1.3 meters. That's the test stand's information. Next, let's see if this 6L tankless gas water heaters can be ignited successfully. First of all, please make sure if the water adjusting handle at the max position. Right now, the engineer is slowly adjusting the water knob on the test stand. Okay, well, the gas water heater is ignited successfully. And at this time, the pressure gauge showed that the pressure is 0.01 megapascals when ignition, which was the same as what we tested on the test bench. How about to adjust the water handle to the right? As the engineer rotating the handle to the right, the gas water heater stops working. Now our engineer tries to start the gas water heater when the handle at min position. Since the volume of water entering the gas water heater is too small to reach the starting pressure, the ignition fails, we can see from the video. On the other hand, it is also to avoid the gas water heater from dry burning, which will cause damage to the heat exchanger. How about the result for a larger gas water heater, like the 12 liters gas water heater we installed on the stand? The height from the bottom of the bucket to the water inlet pipe is about 1.5 meter. Right now, the engineer is adjusting the water knob on the test stand. Well, the 12 liters gas water heater is ignited too when the water handle is at max position. And also, we can see the water pressure gauge shows the ignition pressure is 0.01 megapascals. As the water handle turns to the minimum position, the flame from the burner goes out. Once the handle turns to the maximum position, it starts working again. For more information, please reach out to 861-802-202-3216. Thanks for watching.